time. Gotta take your time. That's what it's about. Taking your time. Fight the temptation. Going fast. Fight the fast temptations. Take your time. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. The Fly Roadside Guy checking in one time for the one. You know how we do. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Out here on this job site, got a lot of things going on today. Concrete mixer trucks, dump trucks, excavators, bulldozers. There's a lot of things going on out here. And just to make it clear, when you're on these job sites, definitely take your time, man. Take your time. These dips in the roads, the uneven terrain, a lot of this shit can definitely impact your truck. You do not want to be caught slipping or get caught stuck or caught down and out and without the ability to continue working. So I say all that to say, you know, sometimes you gotta fight the temptation of going fast. You know, sometimes you gotta slow down, because at the end of the day, these jobs, I mean, we at the mercy of the loaders. Sometimes we at the mercy of the contractors. Right now, this job is paying by the load, but I've probably been sitting here for like maybe 10 minutes now, so I figured I'd take my camera out, record something, put a video out there for my followers. I appreciate the support. I ain't gonna make this video too long. So yeah, just like I say, try to fight the temptation of going fast, because I mean, everything ain't promised. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. It's the Fly Roadside Guy, and I'm out.